Bad news for Celtics fans. Kyrie, he gets injured in the first 2 minutes of this game. An elbow from his own teammate, right smack in the face. And he was bleeding like crazy. He left and did not return, so we'll find out exactly what it is. Maybe it's a broken nose. Maybe we're going to see a masked Kyrie Irving. And the Celtics, they're on a 10-game winning streak going into this game. There's no Al Horford, no Gordon Hayward, and now no Kyrie. So they go down by 18 points in the second quarter. What a sad way for the Celtics to lose their 10-game winning streak because another injury strikes their team. But the Celtics, they would come climbing back, fighting with all these players out. Unbelievable. The hustle, the effort, just Brad Stevens, the head coach. How do you manufacture this comeback at home when it just looked so terrible? Jaylen Brown gonna hit the three. In transition, it's a 1-point game, and you know this place is gonna go crazy when they finally take the lead, and they do it here as Brown is gonna go coast to coast and knock down Frank the Tank. Celtics fans can't believe what their team is able to do this season. The rookie with a big shot. Jason Tatum and everybody on the Celtics is stepping up to the occasion. A missed three is going to be kicked back. Hornets, under a minute to play. Kemba gonna throw up a crazy layup and one. The drama continues. 3 seconds left. They could tie it, send it to overtime. But the inbound gets stolen by Jaylen Brown. Knocked loose, and that's going to be the game. 11-game win streak for the Celtics. We'll find out about Kyrie.
DJ, when you were a kid, did you ever think you'd be an all-star in your rookie campaign?
I was an all-star coming out of the womb. I was an all-star in AAU. I was an all-star in high school. I was an all-star in college. Hey, I was even an all-star DJ. The writing was on the wall.